All right. Last but certainly not least, color. Right? So when we talk about color, there's three things I want to focus on. Hue. Let's do it over here. Hue, value, and intensity. And hue is basically the color's name. The hue is red, or it's yellow, or it's blue. And you could also say the hue is ultramarine blue, or it's cadmium red, or it's, you know, light lemon zest yellow, whatever. That's what we call the hue. It's just the color's name, basically. Value, that is how you make a color either darker, or darker, or lighter. So if I want to make a color darker, I add plus black. Say we're just talking about, yes, typically, say if you're using acrylic, you would add black. That's how you make it darker. If you want to make it lighter, you add white, right? And we call this shading, if you're getting it darker with adding black, or this is the weird one, tinting, right? So if you want to tint something, you're making it whiter, or you're adding white to tint it. Tint sometimes, like if you have tinted windows, they're dark, so don't confuse that. Tint is adding white. Intensity is basically this. It's the purity. Purity. The purity. That's kind of a weird. The purity of color. Right? That's a loaded word. All right. Basically, it's simply this. It's just, if you, again with acrylic, it's almost like it's just out of the tube. That's the shortest way to say it. It is the closest to the color being as unaltered as possible. So once you start tinting it and you start shading it, then you're altering the intensity. You are changing the intensity. Okay? There's so much more about each one of these elements of art, but that's the basics, and I want you to have these notes in your sketchbook. All right, you guys, thank you. Bye.